Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take an English second paper class for class 6 students. Our today's topic is voice, past and future. So my dear students, let's start the class. Before going to the class, come to the point, voice. What is a voice? Voice is the form of a verb which is used to say what people or things do or what is done to them. Active voice, there are two types of voice, active voice and passive voice. Definition of active voice is the form of a verb which is used to say what the subject does. Passive voice is the form of a verb which is used to say what happens to the subject. Next, we will move to rules of changing active from passive voice. Number 1, object becomes subject. First, we must know what is object. Look at the sentence, look at the example, she gives me a book. So if we make a question to the verb of a sentence, we will get the object. What does he get? A book. Whom does he keep? Me. So here a book and me are object. So if we make a question to the verb of a subject, we will by what and whom, we will get the object. So rules of changing active and passive voice. Number 1, object becomes subjects. Auxiliary verb according to tense. Past participle of verb, preposition by, subject becomes object. And this chart is very important. Use of auxiliary verb, present tense. In present indefinite tense, auxiliary verb will be am, is, are, continuous am being, is being, are being, perfect have been, has been, past indefinite was, were, past continuous was being, were being, past perfect had been. Future indefinite shall be, will be, future continuous shall be being, will be being, future perfect shall have been, will have been. Look at the defective verb. Let's next move to, after this verb, modal auxiliary verb, we use be. Can be, could be, shall be. All we use be after the modal auxiliary verb. The form of subject and objects. Look, I, subject, it will be object in me, he, him, we, us, they, them, she, her, you, Arif, Ashish, the boy, the girl, who, by whom, who. So let's go to the example and change the voices. So we will change the active voices into passive voice. We will do it passive. So she liked milk. Here milk is object. We will make it subject. Milk, as it is past indefinite tense, the auxiliary verb will be was or were. As milk is uncountable noun, we will use singular verb after the subject. So verb will be was, past participle of verb. Milk was liked, preposition by, and she will be her, the object. Number 2, they were plowing the field. So the field here object, we will make it subject, the field. Okay, so this is past continuous tense. So we will use auxiliary verb was being or were being. So the field, singular subject, we will use was being. And then past participle of verb, so plowed. And preposition by, and subject they will be them. Subject will be object at last. Next one, Nila will miss the train. Her object is the train. The train, this is present, this is future indefinite tense. So in future indefinite tense, we will use auxiliary verb, will be, shall be. So we will use the train, we will use will be. Will be, past participle of verb means will be missed. And preposition by will comes, and then Nila will go to object, it will be name will not be changed. Next one, Anika will be catching the bird. Here the bird is object, object will become subject. The bird, as it is future continuous tense, we will use auxiliary verb will be being or shall be being. So we will use will be being here, and past participle of the verb catch, caught, and preposition by, and Anika will go to object. So we will go to next part, since the passive voice is into active voice. So this is the passive voice. A bird was seen by me. So come to the point here, please. Come here. In active voices, all active voices are one kind of tense. But in passive voices, here we don't find any kind of tense. So in passive voices, here no tense, but if you want to make it active, we have to make it one kind of tense. First, object will be subject. Me will be subject. Me will come to the subject, it will be I. And look at the auxiliary verb. Was is the auxiliary verb of past indefinite tense. So we will make this sentence into past indefinite tense, and this will be active voice. So as was is past indefinite tense auxiliary verb, we will make the sentence into past indefinite tense. So in past indefinite tense, after subject come verb and past form of the verb. I saw, and a bird, subject form, it will be go to objective form. So I saw bird. Let's make it passive. A bird, past indefinite tense, was, past participle of verb, by me. This is correct. Number 2, the sum had been done by me. So me will be subject I, as it is had been auxiliary verb of past perfect tense. We will make the sentence into past perfect tense. So in past perfect tense, after subject come verb, and then past participle of main verb. So I had done, and subject will be object, the sum will be object. I had done the sum. Next one, the lesson will be learned by you. Object will become subject you, and will be learned. Look, will be is the auxiliary verb of future indefinite tense. So we will make the sentence into future indefinite tense. In future indefinite tense, after subject come shall or will, and after shall or will come main verb. You will learn, and subject will be object, the lesson. Last one, food will have been cooked by them. So them will be subject, it will be they, as it is future perfect, auxiliary verb of future perfect tense, we will make it future perfect tense. Will have been auxiliary verb of future perfect tense. So we will make it future perfect tense. Structures after subject come, will have, after will have, past participle of main verb. They will have cooked, and subject will be object last, food. They will have cooked food. So my dear students, come here. This is your SW homework. Number 1, change the following active voices into passive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer the following passive voices into active. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is lecture 1, SW1, submit 1, Sunday. This SW is very important for you because we will give diary mark, city mark, and SB mark on the basis of the homework. So my dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home, and our dear parents, stay well, stay home. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.